So this is JERIZA TAGAC, and today we're going to discuss the three topics, which are the Transaction Processing System or the TPS, the Decision Support System or the DSS, and the Management Information System or the MIS. So let's discuss first about the Transaction Processing System or the TPS. So Transaction Processing System, this is a set of information which processes the data transaction in which database system that monitors and record the daily routine transaction programs. So this is an information processing system for business transactions like collection, modification, and retrieval of all transaction data. The system is useful when there is something that is being sold through internet. It can be easily accessed by authorized employees so that information can be retrieved easily. And it is advisable that information that goes through TPS must never be deleted so that there will be no confusion of orders have gone through, and should have a backup hard drive so older information can still be stored. So transaction processing system has its type. These are the batch processing and the real-time processing. Batch processing, it processes several transactions at the same time but with a time delay, while real-time processing processes one transaction at a time and does not have time delay. So transaction processing system has its characteristics, which are the performance, the reliability, and the consistency. In performance, it should respond on time so that the customers would not wait for so long. And in reliability, it must be very reliable because it can lose a huge portion of revenue if there is a sudden breakdown because the customers cannot purchase the products. The examples of transaction processing systems are the customer orders, receipts, invoices, payments like payroll system, airline ticket reservation, stock market, updating of sales record, point of sale terminals, library loan system, check clearance, and etc. So the analysis of transaction processing systems, it is the processing in which a system responds to a user's command to carry out some operation to and from. The request or command is called transaction, and the transaction processing system are systems working at a low level of any organizational structure being operated by data entry operators to collect and share data. So the conclusion is to ensure that an organization can reach their goals effectively and efficiently. These information systems are very useful to support the activities of the business organization. So the second one is the Decision Support System or the DSS. Decision Support System or DSS is an information system that supports business organizational decision-making activities. It usually serves the mid and the higher management operations and help make decisions about problems that may rapidly changing and not easily specified in advance, like the unstructured and semi-structured problems. So on the other hand, DSS can be either fully human power or combination of both that gathers and analyzes data, synthesizing it to produce comprehensive information reports. DSS is different from any ordinary application whose function is just to collect data. Decision Support System allows for more informed decision making, time problem solving, and improved efficiency in dealing with issues or operations, planning, and management. It compiles comprehensive information that can be used to solve problems and in decision making. The purpose of using DSS is to present information to the customer in easy to understand way. So DSS include knowledge-based systems. A properly designed DSS is an interactive software decision makers system intended to help decision makers to compile useful information of raw data, documents, and personal knowledge of business models to identify and solve problems and make decisions. So it uses the summary information, exceptions, patterns, and trends using the analytical models. DSS helps in decision making but does not necessarily give a decision itself. So in DSS, there are program and non-program decisions. Program decisions are basically automated process, general routine work where decisions have been taken several times and follow some guidelines or rules. While non-program decisions occur in unusual and non-addressed situations, so it would be a new decision. No rules to follow and decisions are made based on the available information. So the example of DSS or the decision support system are the manual system, the hybrid systems, the manufacturing resource planning. This is for production, scheduling, purchasing material, and geographic information system. This is the software to display digital maps, and customer DSS are the system support buying decision of customers. So the analysis of decision support system is to help companies to identify and solve problems and make decisions. So its conclusion, the DSS can greatly help improve the decisions that are made, but it comprises of the decision maker who uses the DSS to make a decision in an organizational environment. And lastly, the Management Information System or the MIS. Management Information System or MIS is also an information system used for decision making, coordination, control, analysis, and visualization of information in an organization. The goal of Management Information System is to increase the value and profits of the business. This provides the managers with timely and appropriate information and allows them to make effective decisions within a short period of time. So these systems make use of information technology to help managers ensure a smooth and efficient running of the organization. The information collected by the systems is structured so that the manager can easily evaluate the company's current performance based on previous outputs. So the examples of management information systems are the Microsoft Dynamics, the Fleetmatics work, sales and marketing systems, human resource management system, the inventory control systems, the office automation systems, enterprise resource planning system, accounting and finance systems, and etc. So the analysis of management information system is it provides information from raw data and helps executive management to determine strategies to implement as an organization, and it can help with marketing strategies, organizational tasks, and provide management reports to increase productivity of employees within an organization. So, therefore, I conclude that management information systems are made for a very speedy access to accurate data and to help the managers achieve their goals. MIS is useful in the organization which creates an impact on the organization's performance. functions, and productivity. The managers will do the decision making, and the MIS will help to support their decision by providing information at every stage in their decision making. And so that ends our discussion for today. So